Hello friends, welcome to the CADPower tutorial series. I am Pradeep Sangwan coming to you from DesignSense Software Technology. Today we are going to learn about the place tile command in the CADPower. It's commonly used in the architecture and construction industry to create floor tiles and aluminum frame quickly and easily. With this command, you can design beautiful structure in no time. So let's get started and discover all the amazing features of this tool. As you can see on the screen, I have created an irregular polygon shape. Now we are going to use place tile command to create floor tiles within this shape. For use this command, we can select it from the CADPower menu. So we need to click here. Then you need to click on the BOQ tools. From here you can find this command, which is the place panel and tiles. From here you can select it directly, or other method is you need to select the CADPower tab in the ribbon. In the CADPower tab you can find this command in the BOQ tools panel. From here you can directly select it. And another method for use this command is shortcut command, which is the CP underscore TILEPLACE. You can directly type it CP underscore TILEPLACE and then enter. After the applying the command, you can see our tile manager window is opened, and here you can see we have the lot of setting related to our command. First setting is the tile block setting. If you created any tile block, you can select it from here. Otherwise you can create a new tile block also. For creating the tile block, you just need to give the name of the tile block. I am going to give the name of the tile block is floor tile. And now you need to click on the select tile block and then click on yes. It will create a new block with the name of the floor tile. In the next option, you can manage the INI file. If you want to edit the INI file, you can edit it from here. Next option, we have the tile placement method. We have the three method: XY dimension, corner pick, fillet polygon. So now I am going to select the fillet polygon, and next option we have the dimension setting. From here you can change the tile dimensions. If you want to change the length of the tile, you can change it from here. If you want to change the breadth of the tile, you can change it from here. And we have another setting also. If you want to change the value of the round of tile dimension, you can change it from here in x-axis, in y-axis. Also you can increase or decrease the gap between the tiles in x-axis or y-axis from here. Also we can change the joint offset distance from here, and this option is depth of the 3D element is disabled currently. You need to click here for enable the depth of the 3D element. For example, if you have brick, then you can use the 3D element and give the depth of the brick, and then you can give the tile name. I am going to give the tile name is floor tile, and after then you just need to click the OK. And now it will ask for select the polygon. So I am going to select this polygon. Now it will ask for the pick origin point. I am going to select this origin point, and then it will ask for the next point. If you want to draw the floor tiles in this direction, you can select this point. Otherwise I am going to select this point. And now you can see how easily we can create floor tiles for this polygon shape. And now if you zoom in, we have the gap between the each tiles, which we set into the settings. And another things, if you notice, we have some tiles out of the boundary. If you want to delete these tiles, we can select them and use the delete key for delete them. Otherwise, if you want to resize the floor tile, you can resize it very easily. We need to go to this drop down menu, and here you will find the interactive XY scale editor, with shortcut command is the CP underscore SCLEDIT, or you can click here for select this command. It will ask for select the block to edit. I am going to select this block, and then it will ask for the enter the attributes to update the value. I am going to enter. If you want to change the X scale factor, you can click on the yes, Y, enter. Next it will ask for the X scale factor increment. I am going to give the value of 10 and then enter. Now next it will ask for the pick anchor point. As you can see here, we have the red box. This is our default anchor point. If you want to change it, we can change it from here. Otherwise we need to right click or enter. And now you can see our scale factor is increased by 10 value. If you click on the yes, then it will continue increasing this value. So if I press enter again, then it will continue increase the X scale factor. But here we need to reduce the scale factor. For that we need to type R for reverse and then enter. Then again enter. Now it's look good. So if I want to exit from the X scale factor, then I need to type the X, enter. Then it will ask for the Y scale factor, Y, enter. Next it will ask the Y scale factor increment. So I am going to give the value 10, enter. It will ask for the pick anchor point. So as you can see, our anchor point is there. So I am going to continue with the default. So enter. And now I need it in the reverse direction. So I need to type here R, enter. So now our tile is perfectly resized. So I am going to exit this command. So I type here X, enter. So like this we can use interactively XY scale editor command for resize the scale factor of the tiles, and place tile command for the creating the tiles and panels within the few clicks. If you like our videos, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and like and share our videos with your colleagues. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next video.